Hello everyone, I'm your host Siddhant and today we're going to make the ultimate burger which is easy to prepare, super yummy and takes just a few minutes to prepare. We're going to take regular burger buns and toast them using some butter on a hot pan. And now for the burger patties, take the ITC Master Chef spicy chicken grill patty and brush some regular cooking oil on a hot grill. Place the patty on top and cook for 4 to 5 minutes and keep aside. Now for a vegetarian burger, you can use the ITC Master Chef spinach corn burger patty and place it in a preheated air fryer. Brush some oil on the patties, cook for 8 to 10 minutes and shake in between. Once the patties are cooked, we're going to build our ultimate burger. We're going to take some mayonnaise and spread it on the toasted bottom half of the burger bun. And spread some ketchup on top of the mayonnaise. You can also use achari sauce, mustard sauce and chili sauce in place of tomato ketchup and mayonnaise. The next step is to add a few lettuce leaves on top of the burger to give it some freshness and crunch. In case you don't have lettuce leaves, you can either use cabbage, green chilies or cucumber. Once the burger patties are cooked, we're going to place one grilled chicken patty on top of the lettuce, followed by a cheese slice. And since we're making a double-decker ultimate burger, add another grilled chicken patty on top, followed by another cheese slice. Trust me, it's going to be delicious. Add a few slices of onions to the burger, along with a few slices of tomato to give it another fresh element other than lettuce. To take this burger to the next level, we're going to add a fried egg on top of the burger. Let's place it carefully so it doesn't fall down, and this looks amazing to me. Add caramelized onions to the burger to give it a sweet element. If you don't have caramelized onions, you can either use jalapenos, olives, or even fried onions to give it a crunch. Now to finish off our burger, we're going to place our top half of the toasted bun and our burger is ready to serve. Our ultimate burger is ready. Now comes the most challenging part, that how do we eat this burger? Guys, it's delicious and you need to try it. Also, you can try the other exciting ITC Master Chef burger patties.